Hi children, welcome back to the lesson that is natural calamities. So in natural calamities we already discussed about floods, right? If it rain heavily then it causes floods. Here now let us see what happens if there is no rain. Means the condition is called drought. So what we have to do in case of droughts? So droughts is also called as सूखा in Hindi, right? अगर पानी ज़्यादा हुआ तो it causes what you call floods. पानी ज़्यादा हुआ तो अब क्या हो रहा बिना पानी का अगर पानी कम हुआ समझो बारिश कम हुआ then what happens, let us see. So here drought is a condition. Drought is a condition. Actually, after summer there is a rainfall, monsoon we call it as, right? So after summer definitely we are going to get the rainfall. But here, if the rainfall is sufficient, if the rainfall is sufficient during the rainy season, during monsoon, then every water body can be filled up with the water and availability water is good. Whereas imagine if rainfall is less than that we expected. If the rainfall is less than that we expected, then what happens? So here, uh, water, we need water for everything, and here if we decrease, when the water quantity decreases on the land, then what happens? It causes drought. Simply, it causes droughts. So here, whenever the required water quantity is not there, then what happens? The land becomes completely dry, right? Why? Because in the land there is water, underground water is there, and as well as in between the soil particle there is presence of water. So here if rainwater is good, then this water can be recharged and soil become moisturized. But whereas when there is no water, when there is no rain, then what happens? Whatever the water that is present in the soil particles, it slowly evaporates. जो कुछ भी पानी है वो मिट्टी में वो सब एवापरेट हो जाएगा वेपर फॉर्म में. तब क्या होगा? पूरा लैंड बिकम ड्राई. द लैंड बिकम्स ड्राई. नाउ व्हेन द लैंड बिकम ड्राई, इट शोज द क्रैकिंग्स. The land shows the crackings, right? So here this kind of land is not be used for the agriculture. Why? Because it don't have any water molecule. When there is no water inside the soil molecules, then it unable to support the growth of plant, so that the plant will die. The plant will die. So here this bad condition where we are unable to grow the crops in the soil, it is called as drought. Then what happens? Actually in our country, some states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, they prone to drought. Means rainfall is very less, बारिश कम होगा वो states में, right? कम होने से क्या होगा? क्योंकि ये जो राजस्थान, गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश है ना, वो क्या होगा? जब भी हवा आते हैं मानसून, then it loses more water vapor, it loses more. So the winds that are coming towards these states, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, while the air is blowing towards it, whatever the moisture that it contains, it is going to lose the moisture, so empty air comes here. So when there is empty air, there is no rainfall. That's why very less rainfall can be seen in the countries, sorry, in the states like Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, right? So very little amount of rainfall will occur in these states, so that they always tend to be prone for the ड्रॉट कंडीशन. बहुत सूखा कंडीशन रहता है राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश और गुजरात स्टेट्स में, राइट? सो यहाँ because of shortage of water during the drought condition, it causes very bad effects. What is that? For example, the water bodies, they lose the water. The water will be dried up. The rivers, wells, ponds, the drinking water is availability of drinking water become very less. When there is no water, there is no agriculture, and soil also not supporting the growth of plant. So we don't have fodder. We don't have fodder. There is no oxygen for us. We don't get vegetables and fruits, and as well as the fodder for the cattle. पशु पक्षी के लिए दाना भी नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ पे, right? So when there is a shortage of water, shortage of fodder, this results in the what you call, it results in shortage of milk and further problems. For example, a cattle, when you offer the, जब आप कैटल को घास खिलाता है तब क्या होगा, वो दूध बहुत देगा, मिल्क प्रोडक्शन विल बी मोर व्हेन देयर इज फूडर. Due to drought, there is no plant, there is no fodder, then there is no food for the cattle, so that we are unable to get the proper milk also, right? In some cases, yeah, means in severe drought cases, the people may even die because of shortage of food, right? So if the people are die because shortage of food during the drought condition, it is called as famine. क्या बोलता है इसे, famine or famine. What is meant by famine? Famine is a condition where there is no food to eat, there is no availability of food for the people and as well as cattle because of very bad effect of drought. ड्राट के वजह से अगर फूड खाने के लिए, खाना पीने के लिए पानी अगर नहीं मिला तो the human being, including human being and cattle, may die, and this condition is called as famine. It is called as famine. And as well as this condition also spreads the epidemic diseases, right? It causes epidemic diseases. Epidemic means that particular area can be suffered from a kind of disease, right? Whereas the coronavirus is pandemic, like that it can able to produce pandemic disease, epidemic diseases which belongs to that particular area due to drought. So it is our responsibility to save ourselves from the drought condition. So what we have to do, we have to reduce the effect of drought. A drought से अपना आपको कैसा बचा लेना, right? How to prevent this drought condition? Very simple. Here the main things that we are losing at the drought condition is the drinking water and as well as food. We know very well that water and food will be given by one and only source, that is plant or tree. So tree is very necessary for getting moisture in the air, and as well as fodder, air, water can be given by plants. So that definitely what we have to do to reduce the drought condition, definitely we have to do afforestation. We have to do afforestation. What is meant by afforestation? Afforestation means पेड़ पौधों को बढ़ाना, right? Planting trees in the forest. So if you increase the forest area, then what happens? If you increase the forest area, then availability of water, availability of fodder is more, and it reduces the effect of drought. Even it applicable practically in Rajasthan, in some place of Rajasthan, when they planted the trees or plants, these plants they reduced the drought effect, right? So afforestation is the only best method to reduce the drought condition. Why? Because it gives fodder, it gives water, so that no more drought will occur whenever there is plant. Okay, and now let us see another method is the rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. So here rainwater harvesting structures are nothing but check dams. If you construct check dams and percolation pits, percolation pits, these check dams and percolation pits, what happens whenever the rainwater occurs, whenever rain falls, the water will be collected here and it allowed to enter into the groundwater. So it recharges the groundwater level. When groundwater is more, then automatically whenever there is a drought condition, you can take out the water from the ground and you can utilize it for the many purposes, right? So here recharging the groundwater and by using check dams and storing water and construction percolation pits, it increases the groundwater. So here By increasing the groundwater, we can utilize this water for the agriculture, and we can grow the crops even in the drought condition wherever the shortage of rainfall occurs, right? So these are the successful methods to get rid of these drought condition, right? अगर सूखा कंडीशन में पानी ना मिला तो जीना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा। इससे पहले ये करना है कि वी हैव टू डू द एफॉरेस्टेशन, पेड़ पौधों को बढ़ाना, और रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. This rainwater harvesting structures like check dams and percolation pits, they can recharge the groundwater, and they are going to help us during the drought condition, right? So I hope you understood today's class about the drought, and we'll discuss more about the natural calamities like earthquake and tsunami in the further lesson, right? So this is the today's class. Thank you.